Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to like Roblox games on your mobile device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To like games or experiences on the Roblox mobile app, open up the application and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, look for the game you're trying to like. You can make use of the search feature if you can't find it on the home screen. Here, you'll see several options, and it's easier to swipe up from the game's title to access more features. You can upvote or downvote a Roblox game using the up or down arrow. You can also see how many votes a Roblox experience has. When scrolling down, you'll find more information, and you can tap on this three dots menu icon on the bottom left to favorite the game, invite a friend to play on the same server, share it, or report to Roblox game. When favoriting a game, you will save it in your favorites list. This is a public list available on the Roblox profile, and it allows you to find the game in the future. So that's basically how you can like Roblox games on your mobile device. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.